Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a contact on your VIVO X300 Pro. So basically, if you want to add a new contact to your phone list, open up your phone app, click create new contact, choose where to save a contact device, enter the first name or a nickname, like this. You can also enter company, then add a phone number. You can label it phone, work, home, main, work, fax, home, fax, pager, other and custom. I'll choose phone. You can also add an email, birthday, address, and add to label or add a note. And also add a picture for your new contact. So basically, click save to save this contact, and to find it, type it here, and as you can see, it is here. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.